Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of editing comp structure. Before you log into PromptHR, first check that you have country admin rights to edit a comp structure. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Comp and Benefits from your left-hand side menu. It is the first option. Click on Comp Structure. In the list view that you click on Salary Grade which structure you want to edit. Comp structure must be unauthorized if you want to edit. For unauthorizing, click on the stamp icon and type yes, if you really want to unauthorize the record. Click on the pencil icon at the bottom of your screen to open existing comp structure to edit. Make changes and save.